Alright guys, so the engine compartment's painted. It's all black. Decided to paint it black. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. Energy suspension motor mounts ready. They're loose right now. I'm just kind of test fitting them in there. That rag joint, I didn't want to tighten these because I'm going to change the rag joint on the steering column. You know, for all these parts that are like $20, $30, you might as well change them while you got the motor out. It's worth it. It's easier to do, and now's the time to do it. Sway bar came off. Well, I took it off. Painted it in the patio and ordered new end links for it. Those were just destroyed. And yeah, it's gonna have new end links, sway bar bushings, and the core support. Here's the old one. Piece of crap. So this one is not welded in yet. As you can see, I have it. It's just held on by this plier here. I'm just test fitting. I wanted to test fit and make sure everything kind of lined up before I start welding. And so everything's painted. Engine bay is pretty much ready to go, but I'm not gonna weld the core support until get the engine in there. It'll be a lot easier to put in there, and then once the engine's in there, I'll just weld everything there, all the front end up. I got the engine over here, and it's pretty much ready to be built. But I'll make another video on the engine itself once I start putting stuff into it. Yeah, so everything got painted here just to make it nice. So, alright guys.